All right, we're doing a collaboration this time with NPO at midnight over here. We're here in Cranberry. Let's get it.
First cast here. See what we can do.
What'd you catch?
Nah, I ain't got nothing on the board yet.
What?
Nothing.
Don't tell nobody your guys are in.
Nah, I'll try to leave that out of it. Stuck. Oh, fish on, baby.
I see it. Gets in the net, get him in the net.
Oh, I forgot you had one. Oh, it's off, Tom, it's off. He's under the rock.
He's in this gap. He's in this gap right there.
Oh, there he is. I see him, the pink on the marker. What? I bet he found a way out.
I'm sick, that was a good size.
That was a nice one. He was probably 14. My knot came undone. Man, that's embarrassing. Come on.
I think I'm having a hit. Unless that's you. No, that's not you. No, maybe I'm just bumping rocks. Yeah, I got one. Yeah, there's one.
Gun. Nice.
Woo! Yeah, I felt a bump. No, it's not too bad. I can get that.
Yeah.
You want to eat him? Yeah, we'll keep him and eat him. He'll definitely live, but I'm hungry.
Come on, baby. Oh, I'm hung up. So you got one on the board. That's a nice hole, though. 10 out of 10 on that hole. I was warming my hands up. Froze.
There's one.
Nice.
Fish on.
There you go. Well done. That's a good fish.
Yeah.
It's a good fish. Ooh. Oh. Missed. Nah, I missed him. I didn't even see him.
Is that a rock or am I stuck?
No,
No, I'm on one.
He's got to throw off that rock.
And they each have gotten bigger.
Yeah, you ain't kidding. That's a nice one.
All right. Thank you.
There you go.
Sweet.
Let's go eat.
Swing. There we go.
Oop, oop. Oh, that's a good fish. I think they just keep getting bigger.
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, I just barely got him, looks like. Yep, just in the corner of the mouth.
Yeah, you did.
Had a good morning. I caught 4. Pretty fun to catch out of this one hole. As a group, we have caught 5 fish this morning and missed probably 20. So it's looking good. Hopefully we can keep it up.
See the master chef. Beautiful scenery. It's always a good spot to fill up here. Right down below this big waterfall. There's got to be some good spots up here. Looks like you're hooked up. Oh yeah. Got it. Nice. Ooh, he likes that pink. Nice job, Dom.
There we go. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. And this guy is going to get released. Let's go, baby. That's what I like to see. Puts me at 5 on the day, so pretty good day. So this is day 2 for the cranberry trip. Hopefully we can get on some more of them today. It's cold right now, but it's supposed to warm up. Should be pretty nice. Let's get it. There we go. Fish on. Your net's frozen.
I just wanted to use my net.
All right, first one of the day.
Oh my lord, they are chasing it galore out there. Another rainbow swiped at it. What's that? 1/4 ounce. It's a super strike. That's one we always use. So the only size I do. It's like one of the ones I gave you. My lord, they chasing it every time. Hung up. Damn. Ah. Daggone it.
Oh. There we go. That's a nice one. That's a good one. Oh no, he broke my line. I must have had a weak spot in the line, because it didn't take much for him to break it. Hold on, I'm getting a hit. There we go. That's a little one though. He's not little, but he's not the same one. Now we have 2 fish for tonight.
Last day, first hole. Terrible, jeez. All right, last cast, I'm done. Tired, I'm ready to go get pizza. These fools are still trying to fish.
Number 8 on the trip. I like a 12er. See you later, pal. Oh, another trout. It's a pretty good one. Oh, no. No. Oh, bummer. All right, there's the gate at the bottom of the road, which means that this trip to Cranberry is officially over. It's been a good one. Caught a few fish. I'll see you all next time. Have a good one.
Tired, ready to go get pizza.